Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The integration of sin x, you got about negative cosine x. This is about the formula in here. About this one, we can write into 3x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now, we can apply this formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx, you got about x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now, we have this one in here, so we change n equals to negative 1 over 2, go in here and here. So we have 3x to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Now, the next one, this is about the constant. So we have the formula in here. So capital A represent about the constant. The integration of capital A, you got about AX and we put about C. Now we do similar for this one. This one, we apply similar for this one. This one, similar for this one. Now, we have the next formula, the integration of dx over 1 plus x squared. We have r tan of x and we put about c. If we have the constant in here, we put the constant in here. So this one, we will have 4 r tan of x. Number 6, similar for this one. The integration of secant of x squared, you got about tan x. This is about the formula. And now the last one. The integration of e to the power of s dx, you got about e to the power of s and we put about c. This is about the formula in here. So we can apply this one, go in here. And then we put c at the end. Now, we need to simplify. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. This one, number 6, we cancel. 9 divided by 3, you got about 3x to the power of 3. And then, this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.